my little girl just came back from college and she's got her first job.
Mom, have you seen my t-shirt?
Oh, sweetie, it's in the closet. Isn't this amazing? But she decided to come back home and live with us. And you know, they call this the Boomerang generation. You throw it.
Mom, have you seen my jacket, by the way?
I think it's in the closet too, sweetie. And they come back. You know, in the beginning, I was like, oh, it's my little baby.
Mom, what can I get for lunch?
I'm gonna figure out later, sweetie. Wait a minute, I cannot go now. And then I was feeling like it's kind of inconvenient. You know, those little kids, they are grown
Mom,
up
can I use your bag today?
Sweetie, I'll be right there in a minute. I'm in the middle of something here. It's not easy. I don't know what to do right now. I need a solution because it's starting getting very, very difficult for me.
Mom!
What?
I'm hungry. What can we eat?
No, ok, enough. Chega, não aguento mais, tá demais. Já vou.